watching this week's episode of Species Spotlight, the Key West Tropical Forest and Botanical Garden. This week, we'll be learning about partridge pea, found on Big Pine Key. Partridge pea is easy to spot in summer and early fall. Its bright yellow flowers bloom along tall, slender stems, attracting all kinds of pollinators. Their leaves are feather-like and sensitive, and they fold up when touched. It's a super neat trick and really great ID clue. Partridge pea is a pollinator magnet. Native bees, including specialist pollinators, flock to its flowers, drawn to the extra floral nectaries at the base of its leaf stems. It's also a host plant for several sulfur butterflies, including the cloudless sulfur and little yellow. In the pine rocklands of Big Pine Key, partridge pea plays a key role in post-fire recovery. It thrives in disturbed soils and helps stabilize the ecosystem, offering both nectar and cover. After fire clears the landscape, this fast-growing plant is among the first to return, helping bring life back to the forest floor. Big Pine's pine rocklands are home to a rare and endangered species like the key deer, and every native plant, including the partridge pea, plays a role in the survival of this fragile ecosystem. Partridge pea seed pods are flat, narrow, and resemble miniature pea pods, measuring 1 to 2.5 inches long. They are initially green and hairy, but turn dark brown and become smooth as they mature. So the next time you're walking the trails of Big Pine, look down. Among the limestone and pine needles, the partridge pea is quietly working, supporting pollinators, stabilizing soil, and helping Florida's wild heart keep beating. Thank you for watching this week's episode of Species Spotlight, and we look forward to seeing you next week. Take care.